and we're here at the 2026 Ultimate Motor Madness Car Show. We're here, we're celebrating car enthusiasts, to bring all the car community together. We love to see all different types of vehicles.
Casty travels all around the world. We see a little old man recording. It's Casty travels. It's Casty travels.
Okay, first let me have your name.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Orellana Enciso, aka Rebecca Car Queen, and we're here at the 2026 Ultimate Motor Madness Car Show. We're here, we're celebrating car enthusiasts, to bring all the car community together. We love to see all different types of vehicles. All of our events always help out the community, and our goal is to bring everyone together. And we also had a pageant, and that was the Miss Cinco de Mayo 2026 Reina pageant. So that's what I do. I do car shows and pageants throughout South Texas. So that's a passion of mine, and this is rarely when I'm able to combine both in one.
Well, it was great. Both the pageant and the great time. You had a good turnout.
Yes, it's a great turnout. We have all kinds of people. We have one of our lead judges here, Bobby Enciso. You want to say anything, Bobby?
Again, it was a good turnout.
Yeah.
I already
Yeah, but
You already interviewed him?
yeah, I interviewed him about.
Oh,
He told me all
should've
about
told
the
me.
cars.
Yeah, you just told me.
No, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can combine both of them. I was surprised,
Yeah,
I came
combine-
to a car show and I found out a beauty pageant.
Yes, car show and beauty pageants, but this is the first time maybe you coming to both. I'm trying to combine both. It's a lot of hard work, but we try to get it done, and it was a great turnout. Beautiful turnout. The girls were really excited, and now we're gonna start working on our car show awards in a few minutes. So it's a great event. This is my car over there, the red Mustang. That's Ryder. So I have several vehicles. We have an upcoming car show in Harlingen. It's a big car show. It's a charity event. We're going to be raising cat and dog food at the Sames Ford in Harlingen. So we encourage everyone. Entry fee is one bag of cat food or dog food. And we really encourage you to come out and support the event. It's going to be Saturday, May the 6th. And it's going to be in the morning, or May the 9th, sorry. Saturday, May the 9th in the morning from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. It's gonna be a great event. I do encourage everyone to come out.
How did you get started with cars?
I just always had a passion for cars. My first car was a 2001 Pontiac Firebird. I've loved cars since forever. I've always been into cars, and over the years, I mainly come from like the street racing scene, go to the Saturday night cruises, and one day I was like, you know what? I think I can also run a car show. So in 2017, I ran my first car show in Harlingen. It was a great turnout. I was worried nobody would show up because nobody knew me from the car show scene, just from the street racing or from the, cruising around in Harlingen. So it turned out great, and now we're gonna hit 10 years of doing car shows here in South Texas.
What a great turnout right here in the Mid-Valley in this beautiful food park.
Yes, this landmark is awesome. Great location, great atmosphere, music, beer, food carts, food trucks, all kinds of stuff. So I want to thank the landmark for allowing me to have the car show here. It's a great environment, very laid back, very fun.
Nothing about it's really never about winning, right?
Yeah, it's not about winning. It's about coming to see other people show off their cars and learn from one another. You can network, just enjoy the vehicles. People who come out to win awards, it's great to want to win an award, but it should be a little bit more than just coming out, well, if I didn't win, I'm not going to show up anymore. No, it should be about the car community, showing your vehicle, having pride in your vehicle, of all the hard work that you've put into it. All these people put thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars in their vehicles. So this is the time for them to show it off, show the community, and raise the next kids that are gonna say, you know what, I want a car like that when I grow up. So we're raising the next generation of car enthusiasts. Someone's gotta do it, so it's gonna be me.
Would you like to thank the people that came here out today?
Yes, I want to thank all the car show participants, thank our judges, thank all of our pageant people, thank the landmark, and thank you for being out here, showing your YouTube channel. I love it, appreciate it.
Oh, thank you. Let me have your name again. Just make sure.
Yes, it's Rebecca Orellana Enciso, aka Rebecca Car Queen. You can find me on Facebook and on Instagram. So make sure you look for me, Rebecca Productions.
Okay.
two of her highest honors to date, the Presidential Award for Community Service and the 2026 Lotus Award. Accolades highlight her exceptional leadership and her ability to successfully balance a career in media and business with a deep-seated commitment to helping others. This is our contestant number 18, April. Thank you, everybody. That includes all of our girls. Now, can everybody come up for one final look for the judges? Can we have numbers 1 through 10? I'm so sorry. 1 through 5 come up for the judges. Again, only contestants 1 through 5 for a final look. Don't worry, take your time. Be careful with the steps. The next group after 1 through 5 is 6 through 10, so be ready by the stairs. These are contestants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't be afraid to approach up on the stage. The judges get a better look at your outfit. Everybody quick, get your pictures, get your pictures. Judges, are you ready for the next group? All right. Thank you, babies. Up next, number 6 through 10. 6 through 10 come up on stage for a final look for the judges. Don't worry, girls. Take your time. One at a time for the judges. Again, calling the contestants 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now's your time to get the perfect photo, everybody. I see some signs with faces in the back. The next group after 6 through 10 is 11 through 13. So go ahead and get ready by the stairs. 11 through 13. Thank you, toddlers.
Now you're ready? They're gonna say hi to camera. Say hi.
Judges, are you ready for the next group? All right, this is our little Miss division, 11, 12, and 13. Contestants 11, 12, and 13. Make your way to the stage. Don't be afraid to go up on the stage so judges get a better look at your outfits. This is Amora, Lyric, and Elena. Again, this is our Miss, Mrs. and Diva division, contestants 16, 17, and 18. These are our lovely ladies, Alyssa, Luisana, and April. Alright girls, turn your back to the judges. Thank you ladies. Again, this was Alyssa, Luisana, and April. Give these ladies a round of applause. That concludes the show. Thank you for coming out. Now the judges will have a quick debrief and we'll have our awards right after. Again, my name is Miss Teresa Ancisco.
And with our special award, this is our People's Choice Award. And this
Tell me somewhat about the jalopy-looking car there, you know?
About my
What a
truck?
beauty.
It's a 1948 Chevy truck. We changed everything, engine, turned it into automatic transmission, 350 engine, carbureted. It's the all original suspension, running a Camaro differential, and 89 Camaro differential, and that's about it. I've had it about 15 years. We did all the work ourselves. A couple of family members, my cousin and I, did the work and stuff like that. But it's been going good, air conditioned, everything's good.
How'd you manage that beautiful color?
I had a 2002 Corvette. So I matched. It was a flaming red. So I just color matched from the Corvette. I got the paint code and went on the truck.
Yeah. Because you had a car like this in the past? Or?
Yes, a Corvette. Yes, I had a Corvette, matching color. So I wanted the truck to match the Corvette.
It's beautiful. It took a lot of work, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It took about 5 years of work. Yes.
Yeah. What do you tell a young person that wants to get involved refixing a classic?
It takes a lot of money, dedication. I mean, you got to be ambitious for it. Keeps you out of trouble. Working on vehicles, and I mean, just if you really want it, I mean, you can achieve what you want.
The year? Why the year?
The year is my mom's birth year, 1948. So I mean, it's gonna keep it in the family for a while. So
Like I said, it's got all the fancy stuff, air conditioned,
Yes, sir.
power steering.
Air conditioned, power steering. I mean, everything a new vehicle has is just in an old vehicle. Air conditioned, automatic transmission. That's about it.
You ever in your wildest days when you were younger thought you were gonna own such a
Never, sir. Never. I grew up around. Family members that had classic vehicles and stuff like that. So I guess that's where I became. You know what? I want to have one. And sure enough, I mean, I worked hard for it and managed to buy it and build it from the ground up.
There's nothing like a classic, right?
Nothing like a classic. No, it's a totally different aspect. You're driving around, everybody looks at you, and you stop at a gasoline station. They ask you questions, and they want to know this, they want to know that. But I mean, it's good. I enjoy it.
Beautiful.
I enjoy it. Meeting new people.
Can I have your name, please?
Roy Rocha.
Thank you, Roy.
Yes, we're gonna have Ailani, Linnell, and Madison on stage. Get all our talented musicians on stage.
Oh, yeah! Let me get my phone. Mommy, this is your friends. Look at it. Your friends are gotta go take a picture with your friends. Oh, sure. Yeah. Sit down, get up.
I hope it was good to learn. People were hungry.
Big smile. Look at that. Mommy, we're gonna take a
When you
picture.
call your name, please step forward.
Yeah, I'll get some. I get it. That doesn't look like it.
Thunderbird there.
Es un Thunderbird 1977. Podemos ver que tiene su motor original, es la máquina 351. Todavía trae transmisión original, su compresor del clima sí trae calefacción también. La pintura es original, los interiores también son originales. Y en el toldo podemos ver que trae piel, es la piel original de cuando salió en la agencia. El motor también todavía conserva sus calcas originales, donde podemos ver que sí, realmente es un motor original. Y en las puertas también podemos ver las calcas de cuando salió de la agencia. Entonces, pues los invitamos a que vengan a disfrutar de este gran evento.
¿Y por qué los cuernos y la vaquita?
¿Por qué los cuernos de vaquita? Porque lo que queremos es que tenga un aspecto más tejano el Thunderbird. Por eso se le ponen los Longhorns.
Pues, ¿y por qué escoges este carro? ¿Tiene algo especial que sientes de ese carro?
Sí, porque un Thunderbird, porque cuando yo andaba de novio con mi esposa, yo tenía un Thunderbird pero 86, y bueno, pues se tuvo que vender. Posteriormente salió la oportunidad de comprar este y dijimos, bueno, ¿por qué no retomar otra vez los Thunderbirds para seguir con este tipo de eventos?
¿Se enamoró del carro o se enamoró de ti?
De las dos cosas.
Está bien bonito.
Gracias.
Casi no se miran estos carros.
No, hay muy poquitos.
¿Ah?
Sí, casi no hay.
Yo sí me acuerdo porque son más viejos que el carro.
Sí, pero hay muy poquitos. Yo también soy más viejo que el carro.
No, pero está hermoso.
Gracias.
¿Cómo lo tienen? ¿Lo tienes en tan
Realmente
buenas condiciones?
siempre está tapado con una lona especial antigranizo. Entonces nomás se destapa para los eventos, se limpia y de perdido 1 o 2 veces al año se le tiene que dar un tratamiento a la pintura, al igual que al toldo, para que se siga conservando por lo más original posible.
¿Y tiene aire acondicionado y todo?
Sí, clima y calefacción, las dos cosas. Sí funciona. Ahorita veníamos desde Río Grande y como el día sí estaba bochornoso, sí tuvimos que prender el clima frío para poder disfrutar el viaje.
En el tiempo de cuando salió ese carro, ¿tenía?
Sí, originalmente ya venía con clima y calefacción. Entonces, el clima y la calefacción que trae es el original, es el mismo compresor. Y el estéreo que trae también es el original, que trae un 8-track.
¿8-track?
Yes.
Ah, nadie, ya. Olvídate de eso del 8-track.
Y sí funciona el estéreo.
Por eso te cochaste la novia, la esposa. El 8-track y todo tenías lo más moderno en ese tiempo.
Sí, no, pero sí trae su 8-track, sí funciona. De hecho, las bocinas que trae todavía son las bocinas originales cuando salió.
Enamoraste más de él que del carro.
Ah, caray. De los dos. Sí.
¿Sabes mucho de los carros o...?
Un poquito.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Y por qué te gustó ese carro?
Pues porque teníamos un Thunder en el 86 y bueno, pues este es algo clásico, no es tan común verlo, sobre todo en México. Están muy bonitos los carros de esa época.
¿Lo cambiaron por un nuevo carro?
No, la verdad no, me gusta mucho la comodidad, aguantan más los choques y todo es mejor este tipo de carros.
Parece un tanque, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí,
¿Me das un
van a
nombre?
estar muy bonitos.
¿Me das un nombre, por favor?
Claudia Vázquez.
Claudia, ¿y tu esposo cómo se llama?
Ismael Sánchez.
Ismael, ok.
In our Mrs. Division, this goes to number 18, April Puga. She's your Miss Cinco de Mayo 2026. And in our Diva Division, our Miss Cinco de Mayo 2026 is number 17, Luisana Mia Espinosa. Let's give these wonderful women a big round of applause. It takes courage to come up on stage and compete in a pageant. If we can have all of the girls that were crowned, please join us on stage. All queens, please join us on stage.
Look in these cars, what do you look for?
I look for cleanliness. I look for detail. Everything needs to be open. The engine bay needs to be detailed and clean. You know, any flaws like the windshield, any scratches on the paint. You know, we go over throughout the whole vehicle, bottom and up, every angle we can see. That's a judge. That's how we judge these things. So it goes from level 1 to 10, depending on that.
Do they compete like with the models, like Corvettes or no?
This is all in general. You know, it doesn't really matter the make. It's the style. It's the cleanliness. You know, that's what we want. We see cars without a hood open or anything. Well, you're not going to get as much points. So you know, it's all in the detail, presentation. You see a lot of these cars have actual, you know, their signs of what they have, their engine bay, their horsepower, their history. Especially classic cars, they build them in scratch up. You know, and they have that displayed. That works. That's points for us.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the way we judge this, and may the best cars win.
Is there a car that's blown you away? You know, not today, but in days past. You know, other competitions you judge.
Yes.
And has there ever been a car like you say, wow?
Yes.
This is the...
There's been many cars that it's like, wow, this one is going to be best of the show. You know, it's hard to beat. You know, it doesn't really matter whether it's a classic car or a brand new model. As long as it's all, flawless, perfectly kept, deep attention to detail, that'll get you up in the chance to get the big trophy.
Did you used to compete?
No, I'm actually just a judge. I don't have a car at the level yet. Let's just say that. Once I do, I'll start putting them in.
Thank you. Let me have your name.
Judges are going to be walking around for our car show portion of the competition. Go ahead and open up all of your hoods. Judges will start walking around. Please have everything open in order for you to place. We do ask that you open everything up so judges have access to your vehicle. Again, judges will deliberate and we'll have some results. Give us about